Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best silicone baking mats on the market, the MMMAT Silicone Baking Mat Set of 2. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started in the kitchen, this product is designed to make your baking experience smoother and more efficient. Let's take a closer look at what makes this set of mats stand out. The MMMAT Silicone baking mats are made with the best German silicone, a food-grade, BPA-free, and non-toxic material, ensuring that your baking experience is not only easy but safe. These mats are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius, which makes them perfect for use in the oven or even in the freezer. What's great about these mats is that they are cuttable, allowing you to customize their size based on your needs. The set includes 8, 9, and 10-inch square mats, perfect for a variety of baking projects, from cookies to pies to pizzas. They are reusable, which means you'll save money on parchment paper in the long run while also helping the environment by reducing waste. The non-stick surface is one of the key features of this product. No more worrying about your dough sticking or your cookies burning to the surface. These mats make cleanup a breeze too. After you're done, you can just rinse them off or toss them in the dishwasher. No hassle at all. But it doesn't stop at baking. These mats are also versatile for rolling dough, kneading, or even making macaroons or candy. They can serve as a counter mat, placement mat, or even as a surface protector for your kitchen or dining table. If you're someone who bakes regularly or just wants to try something new in your kitchen, the MMMAT Silicone Baking Mat Set of 2 is a must-have. It's durable, flexible, and easy to use, making it the perfect addition to your kitchen essentials. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and leave a comment if you want to see more product reviews. Happy baking!